Hello dear students. Let's now go ahead and check through the other settings part in this video. One basic setting is regarding the language, which is located at the bottom. You can choose from many different languages, and depending on the language you select, all your interface elements and words would be appearing in that language. Like if I select language as Hindi, I'll be able to see that the data on my interface changes into that language. So that is something which you may be interested in doing if you like to read the data in your local language. The other setting is regarding this particular gear icon. If you go there, you are having some basic settings regarding whether you would like to share your data with others publicly or not. By default, the privacy is on. Then there is the setting regarding the customization of the layout. So it would be better through if you are going to add content regularly on your site to go ahead and start this. Once you are done with that, you can save it. Then there is the element of uploading your logo and something known as channel art, which we had discussed. So there, depending on your company logo, you could upload the same in a smaller dimension out here and then in a bigger dimension out here. So let me do that. Once I click on add channel art, I can select a particular image which I want to add. There is indeed a size related factor out there that this particular logo should be of a particular size. So you need to make sure that you are going ahead and selecting an image or logo which only fits into that size. So here, when I try to upload a logo which is not having the size of 2048 pixel in width and 1152 pixel in length or height, it is not getting uploaded. So let me upload another logo which would fit that size. Once I upload it, I'll be having the element to check that how that logo will look. If I want to change certain elements of it or change how I want the look and feel or want to reduce certain area, I can do it. Otherwise, if you feel that it would look through good, you can go ahead and upload the same. It would indeed be better to take some help of a professional designer if you want to make this, or you can even use Paint if you want to do that on your system itself. And additionally, if you do a search on Google like YouTube channel art maker, you would find many websites which can help you. Like there is photor.com, there is canva.com. These are some simple tools with the help of which, by adding an image and some text, you can make a nice channel art. So these are some basic settings which are there. Let's check out further details in our coming tutorial. Thank you.